So we're having a sushi bake for dinner. And what a sushi bake is, it's a layer of sushi rice. And on top of that, you have a mixture of fish with different things added in, like mayonnaise, sometimes cream cheese, sriracha, other things like that. Then you bake it, take it out of the oven, top it with all kinds of stuff and make it look pretty. Spoon that onto some nori and eat it. It's really tasty and a super easy weekday meal. It's like really easy. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. All right, so to get started with our sushi bake, we need to make some sushi rice. Start it off by adding 2 cups of rice and giving that a quick wash. Fill it up to your first knuckle and then toss it in your rice cooker and make some rice. While your rice is cooking, you can start on the sushi zu, rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. There's other versions, but this one's quick and easy and really tasty. Now that gives us plenty of time to start working on our tuna fish and crab topping. Dice up some tuna. If you don't have saku block tuna or fresh tuna, it's completely fine. Canned tuna works really well also. Also salmon, a bunch of other stuff. Just experiment and have fun. Next for the crab, you want to kind of grab kani crab. It just means crab in Japanese, but it's a better quality and tastes better in my opinion. Once you get your fish finished, then go ahead and add some QP mayo, sesame oil, tamari, a little bit of sriracha, and then just give that a mix. Season it to your taste buds. Make it how you like it. At this point, your rice should be ready. If not, you have to wait around for it a little bit. So while you wait, mess around with some nori. Cut it into quarters so you have nice manageable chunks. And sharp knives are nice to have. Alright, now hopefully your rice is done by now. And in that case, you can add it to a bowl and ladle over some of that sushi zu and gently stir it up. Try to keep it as fluffy as possible. You don't want to like mat it down and make it mushy. Then transfer that into a baking dish. Even it out before adding your fish. Make it into a nice even layer on top and then bake that at 350 degrees for like 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and cooked through. Once it's finished, all you have to do is top it with whatever you like. I'm doing more QP mayo and sriracha, a little bit of furikake and togarashi, and then some scallions. A quick tip is you want to wait and let this rest for a bit because it gets extremely hot and it will burn you. Thanks for hanging out with me while I cook dinner. I do it live on Twitch as well if you want to follow me there. If not, just subscribe here and I'll see you guys later.